very good morning. Let's go to see our lesson for today. Today we are continue our topic with the activity 4. For what you do this activity? To determine the properties of the material that allow light to pass through. For that you need balloon, clear plastic, color paper, glass slide, popsicle stick, tracing paper and color paper. Let's see the step. Okay, first step, put a test object in front of your eyes like this. Okay, then look through it. Observe the clarity of your vision. Okay, when you put object in front of your eyes, you look at object in front of you. Either you can see the object or not. Repeat step 1 and 2 with the other test object like clear plastic, color paper, balloon, glass slide, popsicle stick, tracing paper and color paper. Okay, then record your observation as shown in the table below. Okay, first tested object is balloon. So when you put balloon in front of your eyes, you can see the object in front of you or not. Okay, look at the answer. Okay, so for sure the object in front of you not clear, okay, because you block with the balloon. So why? Because balloon is the translucent object. Okay, look at the second object, clear plastic. Okay, you put clear plastic and you see either the object you can see or not. For sure you can see. Okay, so why you can see the object in front of you? Because clear plastic is a transparent object. Okay, number 3, color paper. Okay, color paper, you can see or not? Okay, cannot be seen. Why? Because color paper is a opaque object. Okay, then teacher give you 3 here. Then you continue some more object here according to the activity 4 in the page, in the book text page 148. Okay, let's go to see the question. What are your observation for this activity? So your observation is clear plastic and glass slide are clear. Balloon and tracing paper are not clear. And popsicle sticks and color paper cannot be seen. So what are the properties of the material tested in this activity? Clear plastic and glass slide are transparent. Balloon and tracing paper are translucent. And popsicle stick and color paper are opaque objects. So these objects have their own properties of material. So what properties of material you learn here? Transparent, translucent and opaque object. Let's go to see the activity 5. This one, to determine the properties of material that can conduct heat. That means the object can absorb heat. Okay, for that you need aquarium, skewer, stopwatch, adhesive tape, hot water, aluminium foil, popsicle stick, ceramic spoon, polystyrene, clear plastic, balloon, leather string. Let's see the steps. Okay, look at here. Just follow one by one. Attach the test object to a skewer as shown in the picture. Then touch the top of each test object and determine its initial condition. Okay, either hot or cold or normal condition. Okay, then fill the aquarium with hot water. Then soak the test object carefully. Start the stopwatch. Then after that, number 4, after 2 minutes, touch the end of each test object and compare its present condition to its initial condition, hot or cold. Then write your observation in the table below. Okay, tested object balloon. Look at the answer. After being soaked, no change or feel warm for balloon. So no change because balloon is an insulator. Second one, aluminium foil feel warm. Why? Because conductor. So you continue the table with the other tested object like popsicle stick, ceramic spoon, polystyrene, clear plastic, and leather string. Okay, let's go to see the question. What are your observations for this activity? So the answer is aluminium foil, ceramic spoon, and clear plastic are feel warm. And popsicle stick, polystyrene, balloon, and leather string are no change. Question 2. What are the properties of the material tested in this activity? Okay, aluminium foil, ceramic spoon, and clear plastic are conductor of heat, and popsicle stick, polystyrene, balloon, leather string are insulator of heat. Insulator means cannot absorb heat. Which objects are warm after being soaked in water? So for sure, aluminium foil, ceramic spoon, and clear plastic are feel warm when soaked in hot water. Okay, let's go to see your exercise for today. Okay, today you have to do activity 4 in the page 148 in your textbook and activity 5 page 149. After do the activities, please do the report for the activity 4 and activity 5. Okay, that's all for today. After finish, please send the report of activity 4 and 5 in book 2. That means you write the report in your exercise book 2, and please send also picture of the activity 4 and 5 in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you next week with another topic.